Welcome to Pondicherry Maritime Academy. Myself, Captain Movendan. In the last video, we talked about the evaluation of tank atmosphere. In this video, we are going to see about the enclosed entry procedures. The Code of Safe Working Practice, and it is got taking reference from the IMO Resolution 1050 of 27, talks about the code enclosed space entry procedures. The objective of these recommendations through this resolution 1050 is to encourage the adoption of safety procedures aimed at preventing casualties to ships, personals entering enclosed spaces where there may be an oxygen deficient, oxygen enriched, flammable and or toxic atmosphere. The atmosphere in any enclosed space may be oxygen enriched or oxygen deficient and or contain flammable and or toxic vapors or gases. Such unsafe atmospheres could also subsequently occur in a space previously found to be safe. Unsafe atmospheres may also be present in a space adjacent to those spaces where a hazard is known to be present. Let's understand what is an enclosed space. Enclosed space means a space which has the limited openings for entry and exit. And the next is inadequate ventilation and is not designed for continuous work occupancy and includes but is not limited to the cargo spaces, double bottom tanks, fuel tanks, ballast tanks, cargo pump rooms, cargo compressor rooms, cofferdams, chain lockers and so on. The list is not exhaustive and a list should be prepared for ship-specific identified enclosed spaces. The next is adjacent connected spaces. Adjacent connected spaces means normally unventilated space which is not used for cargo but which may share the same atmospheric characteristics in an enclosed space such as a cargo space access way. It is connecting between the tanks. Next, the competent person. Who is a competent person? A person with sufficient theoretical knowledge and practical experience to make an informed assessment the likelihood of the dangerous atmosphere being present or subsequently arises in the space. Now, it's a turn to see about the responsible person. Responsible person means a person authorized to permit entry into an enclosed space and having sufficient knowledge of the procedures to be established and complied with on board in order to ensure that space is safe for entry. Next, the important role is attendant. Attendant is a person who is suitably trained within the safety management system, maintains a watch over those who is entering into the enclosed space, maintaining communication with those inside the space and initiate the emergency procedures in the event of an incident occurring.